Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about the maps of various countries. First is Albania, ठीक है. Next is Algeria, next is Afghanistan, next is Armenia, next is Argentina. Here Australia, Austria, Azerbaijan, Angola, next Antigua and Barbuda. Next is Bangladesh, Brunei, Bahamas, Belgium, Bolivia, Brazil, Bahrain, Bhutan, Bulgaria, Canada, Cameroon, Colombia, Central African Republic, China, Cuba, Chile, Costa Rica, Congo, Cambodia, Czech Republic, Dominica, Denmark, Ecuador, Egypt, El Salvador, Ethiopia, Finland, Fiji, France, Georgia, Germany, Ghana, Greece, Guatemala, Hungary, Honduras, Haiti, Iceland, Italy, Ivory Coast. This is our India, Indonesia, Ireland, Iraq, Israel, Jamaica, Japan, Jordan, Kenya, Kuwait. Next is Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Latvia, Laos, Lebanon, Liberia, Lesotho, Libya, Lysistrata, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Madagascar, Macedonia, Malaysia, Maldives, Malta, Marshall, Mauritania, Mauritius, Mexico, Moldova, Mongolia, Morocco, Mozambique, Nicaragua, Nauru, Namibia, Nepal, Netherlands, New Zealand, Luxembourg, Madagascar, Macedonia, Malaysia, Maldives, Nigeria, Niger, Norway, North Korea, Oman, Pakistan, Panama, Paraguay, Papua New Palau, Peru, Poland, Portugal, Philippines, Qatar, Romania, Rwanda, Russia, South Korea, Singapore, Slovakia, Slovenia, Solomon Islands, Somalia, South Africa, Spain, Sri Lanka, Suriname, Sudan, Kitts Nevis, Antarctica, Vincent, Senegal, Seychelles, San Marino, Sierra Leone, Switzerland, Sudan, Switzerland, Swaziland, Switzerland, Syria, Scotland, Saskatchewan, Seto, Serbia, Trinidad, Kazakhstan, Tanzania, Thailand, Togo, Tonga, Tajik, Tunisia, Turkey, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Uganda, Ukraine, UAE, United Kingdom, USA, Uruguay, Vanuatu, Vatican, Venezuela, Yugoslavia, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Yemen. Okay friends, today we learn and see the maps of different countries. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you.